Hi viewers, I received this huge package in the mail the other day from the USA from one of my YouTube friends. So let's get straight on with unboxing this with my Elk Ridge. I'll get that out of the way and then we can flip it over. Oh, he still left some information on there. I'll have to pause this. Right, here we are. Wow, such a lot of stuff in there. Where do we start? Oh, more free bags. Tell you, I love getting these free bags because they charge us for these bags now in the UK. So free bags are always good. Got a postcard there with holiday cheer. I'll just check to see if there's any personal information on that. No, that's good. Maybe smiling all season through. Merry Christmas to Friendship Beyond YouTube from Silver Hustlin 13. So let's crack on and see what's in this package. Oh, that looks like it could be for the wife. A little notebook. Yes, indeed. I'm sure she'll like that. Look at that. Is that 24 carat or 14? Natural skin care. Oh, that's definitely for me and not the wife. Oh, lip balm. Oh yeah, that is for me. And a healing chakra energy candle. Oh, let me just have a smell of that. Ah, yeah, I wonder what the smell was emanating from the box. Anyway, what else have we got here? Oh, we've got silver by the look of it as well. We got a Somali elephant, a 2018. Thank you so much for that, my friend. That's awesome. Oh, so much to do. Let's see what's in here. Branch pencils. Oh, brilliant. Let's see if I can get them on camera. Pencils made from a branch. That is brilliant. I've never seen anything like that. Coloured pencils. Well, I know who will be having fun with that over Christmas. Probably Igor. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I can smell that candle. Chakralat. Infused chocolate. Ooh, interesting. Made by My Chocolate Shop. Interesting, thank you. Oh, wow, such a lot of stuff in here. Goddess Garden Organics Softening Night Serum. Yeah, definitely for me again. So my wife's only got the notepad so far on the candle. Roots and fruits, olive oil soap. Oh, that sounds nice. I'm sure it smells nice too. Excuse me while I smell this. Very mild indeed. Very mild. Nice. And oh my word, a huge box of shiny chocolates. Whitman's Sampler Assorted Chocolates. Well, oh, I can feel the weight gain all starting already just looking at that. Oh, I just come across this as well. What is this? A 1964 Kennedy half. Looks like a proof. You'll have to let me know. Anyway, thank you so much for all these gifts, my friend. It's much appreciated. and I'm sure we'll all enjoy this lot over Christmas and then be on a diet for the next 6 months. On to the next box. Well, this is another huge package and pretty heavy, this one. I wonder if there's a kilo bar of silver in it. No, I doubt it. Anyway, let's get straight on with this one as well. It's so big you can't even see it on camera. Well, let's see if I can show the contents of this. Look at that lot. Let's go through it. We have a card. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. I will just check this. There's going to be personal information. Well, it kind of has. But to my friend and family, please accept these gifts as a token of friendship and appreciation. Thank you ever so much, sir. It is from Silver Supplement. And we have in a Ziploc bag some Finest Gourmet coffees, whole bean coffee, Michigan cherry. I'll be sampling those over Christmas. And wow, what's he got here? Oh my word. I saved you the wait and opened that one off camera. It is, I did wonder if it was, Michigan Bee Company raw honey. Awesome, awesome, my friend. I can't believe you actually managed to get a jar of honey across the pond. No breakages either. Wow, something. Oh, you've sent way too much, my friend. Way too much, honestly. Wow. I know exactly who this is from. The Bear. My first piece of poured silver from the Bear. And what an absolutely stunning piece that is. I know who will be after this. Igor. He's got a thing for skulls. 2.9 ounces of silver from the Bear. That's, yeah, the workmanship is fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Thank you so much. What on earth? I can't even say that. Pronounce that. I'll have to leave you to pronounce that. Steenstra. Windmill cookies. Well, I certainly haven't ever seen these in the UK. So I look forward to trying those. And hopefully they taste better than Marmite. Oh, some interesting... Curious to know what these are. Are they genuine? Have you tested them on the CCT slide? I'll be doing that later. Ah, it's that damn word I can't pronounce. Ghirardelli. Did I pronounce it right? I've no idea. It's the ones I had before. Thank you so much. He really has rammed this box full. Red vines. God. Real fruit juice. Gourmet jelly beans. Ah, we do have not this particular brand, but we do have gourmet jelly beans, I think. I look forward to trying those as well. 41 flavours. I've got a feeling I have tried these when we were in Florida some years ago. I can't really remember. I think I have tried them, but I look forward to trying them again. And what else have we got in there? I think I'm finally at the end of the box. Oh, with a Christmas tree on the package there. Who needs a knife? And what have we got in here? We have the African gorilla. That is brilliant, because I didn't actually get one of these, so thank you for that, my friends. Much appreciated. And of course thanks to the bear as well for pouring this. That's an awesome job. I know Eagle will be after that. I might let him have it actually. Anyway, that's hopefully that for this video. Another unboxing still to come, but thank you all for watching.